Welcome to Dualit's Barista School. I'm Pauline and I'm going to show you how to correctly add a water softening bag to your Espressivo Pro coffee machine. You must use a water softening bag in medium and hard water areas, but I recommend these are used in all areas. A build-up of limescale is one of the most common causes of coffee machine breakdowns, and water softening bags help to soften the water, reducing the limescale build-up. Your Espressivo Pro comes with an Oscar water softening bag. Remove the Oscar bag from the outer packaging and soak in fresh water for about 1 minute. Place the Oscar bag in the bottom of the water tank. The water tank should be empty. Add fresh water to the water tank. It's important that the Oscar bag always remains in water and does not dry out. It will take approximately 30 minutes to soften 500 millilitres of water. On average, each Oscar bag should last for around 6 months. Want to know more about using your coffee machine, cleaning and more? Watch the rest of our Barista School videos to become a Barista Pro.